This is huge. There's a new project blowing up right now. It's dropping a full-on AI agent that trades for you, earns while you tap, and rewards you just for using the app. This might be the next big wave, and if you're even thinking about catching some profit early, don't skip this. But what exactly am I talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. If you're into crypto, chances are you're already using a wallet, maybe an exchange, or some kind of app to manage your assets. But have you ever found yourself in a situation where things just don't work the way you need them to? Maybe the platform you're using has limits. Maybe it doesn't support the token you want, or the network fees are insane, or the interface is just a total mess. So what do? You jump to another app, set up a new account, go through the whole process all over again. Move your funds, deal with more passwords, more logins, more waiting. It gets chaotic, fast. And the worst part? Crypto doesn't wait. Prices swing in seconds. So while you're stuck switching platforms or trying to fix an issue, you could be missing out on a big move. An opportunity lost just because the tools weren't smooth or flexible enough. It's not just annoying, it can actually cost you money. And to solve exactly that problem, and honestly, a whole lot more, there's a new project making serious waves online. Now, before you click off thinking, oh great, another crypto thing, just give me a minute. Because this isn't as simple as just slapping a better UI on a wallet or adding a new coin. This is about fixing something deeper. The constant disconnect between all the tools we use in crypto. Sure, there are already some pretty decent wallets out there. But let's be real, they usually just do one thing well. Maybe they're good for holding assets, maybe for swaps, maybe staking. But they don't scale with your needs. They don't really grow with you. And over time, that becomes a problem. You're stuck with a bunch of isolated tools that don't really talk to each other. That's where Neura comes in with their huge non-custodial crypto wallet project. And they're not building just another crypto wallet. They're building a full platform, a kind of all-in-one hub that connects everything you've ever needed in crypto. Not just now, but what you've needed before, and what you'll need in the future. It's ambitious, but it's exactly what the space needs. On their website, they put it like this. At Neura, we aren't just building another trading tool, we are creating a new financial paradigm that lets you talk to your money. And honestly, that hits. Think of it like this. It's kind of like your smartphone. Before smartphones, you had a camera, a phone, a music player, maybe a GPS, all separate. But now, it's all in one device. And you don't even think about it anymore. It just works. That's what Neura is trying to do for crypto. Everything you need in one place, finally connected and working seamlessly, so you can just focus on what matters, making smart moves without the mess. But here's the part that really sets Neura apart. And I'm willing to bet you haven't seen anything quite like this before. At the heart of their platform is something called the Neura Agent. It's an AI-powered blockchain assistant built right into the platform. And it's not just there for show. This thing actually works for you. Imagine this. You're trying to decide whether to buy or sell a token. Normally, you'd be scrambling through charts, watching prices jump around, trying to make sense of it all. Now imagine if you had something sitting next to you, an AI that's watching the entire market in real time, spotting patterns, predicting where things might go, and saying, hey, this looks like a good move. Want me to execute it? That's what Neura Agent does. It doesn't matter if you've been in crypto for 5 years or 5 days. The Neura Agent gives you the kind of insights and decision-making power that usually only pros with crazy setups and hours of time have. It can analyze market trends live, suggest smart actions, and even place trades for you automatically if you choose to let it. So yeah, this isn't just another feature. It's like having a pro trader in your pocket, one that never sleeps, never panics, and always knows what's going on. And don't even get me started on the current trend in AI and DeFi. These are two of the biggest, fastest moving areas in tech right now. AI is changing everything, from how we work to how we think. And DeFi is flipping the entire financial system on its head. Now imagine what happens when you actually bring those two together. That's exactly what Neura is doing. As they put it, Neura is positioning itself at the intersection of AI and DeFi, two of the most transformative trends in tech. And on top of all that, Neura isn't just some random project trying to get attention. They've already got some serious backing. The platform was audited by Solid Proof, so it's not just a cool idea, it's been properly checked for security. And even more impressive, they were mentioned by the official Chainlink Twitter account. Yeah, Chainlink. We're talking about one of the top 15 cryptocurrencies in the world. That's not something you see every day. But here's the thing. It's not just about having big names attached. It's about what they're building. One article recently revealed that Neura Labs has filed a patent for an AI-powered wallet that tackles one of the biggest messes in crypto right now: staking. We're talking about simplifying a $180 billion problem. That's massive. When you take all of this together, the AI, the DeFi connection, the smart partnerships, and now even filing real patents, it's clear this isn't just another project. It's a bold move toward fixing what's broken in crypto, and honestly, it might be one of the most exciting things happening in the space right now. Neura is built for speed, security, and full access to DeFi, while giving you total control. Whether you're swapping, staking, tracking, or just exploring, Neura gives you the tools to actually thrive in today's fast-moving crypto world. And the experience? Very smooth. It's packed with features, but it doesn't feel overwhelming. But what really makes it stand out is where the wallet sits in the big picture. It's right at the center of everything that matters in crypto today. AI tools that actually help, multi-chain access that scales, and built-in systems that keep users engaged without making things complicated. It blends the simplicity people want with the kind of security institutions demand. And as the whole space moves closer to mass adoption, Neura isn't just trying to keep up. They're building the foundation for it. One product, one ecosystem, and one smart, forward-looking step at a time. But here's the part that really makes things exciting. Not just for watching from the sidelines, but for actually getting involved. Neura Labs is launching its own token Neura, and it's not just a random coin thrown in for hype. It's actually a core part of how the Neura wallet works. As they explain it, Neura token is the foundation of the wallet's utility and incentive system. Holding it doesn't just give you a badge, it unlocks real benefits. And one of the biggest? Revenue sharing. Every time someone uses in-app features like swaps, premium tools, or even interacts with ads, part of that revenue goes back to Neura token holders. So as the platform grows and usage increases, the people who supported it from the start get to share in the success. And that's just the start. Holding Neura token also gives you access to premium AI features inside the wallet. Things like automated trading strategies, market predictions, and portfolio insights powered by the Neura Agent. Basically, the more deeply you're involved, the more the platform works for you. You also get a voice. As a Neura token holder, you can help shape the future of the wallet, voting on upgrades, new integrations, and how the platform evolves. So yeah, this isn't just a wallet you use, it's something you can actually be a part of. And with the hype building up fast, it's a rare chance to get in early on something that's not only powerful, but actually rewarding. What makes all of this even more legit is that Neura token is already listed on major platforms like CoinMarketCap. That alone adds a serious layer of credibility, because not every project gets that kind of exposure right out of the gate. It shows they're not just talking big, they're actually delivering. And the best part? The pre-sale starts today. That means this isn't some far-off idea. You can literally get involved right now at the ground level, before the wave really hits. With everything they're building, and the momentum already picking up, it might just be one of those rare early moments that people look back on and wish they had jumped into. And just to remind you, everything I've talked about, it's all happening inside one single app. You don't need 10 different platforms or tools. Neura puts it all in one place. And one of the coolest features they've added to it is called Tap to Earn. It's basically a super simple way to earn Neura tokens just by using the app. Every tap, every little action, whether it's checking your portfolio, using a tool, or just engaging, can earn you rewards. They've turned the whole experience into something fun and rewarding, kind of like mining with your thumbs. And it's all tracked in real time on their own Explorer, so it's completely transparent. And it doesn't stop there. Staking is coming too, along with ecosystem rewards and partner incentives. So the more you interact, the more value you get back. It's designed to keep the community active, involved, and growing. But don't forget the most powerful part, the AI agent at the center of it all. Most wallets just sit there and store your tokens. But Neura? It actually helps manage them. As the devs say, Neura does more. It trades them for you. That's the real difference. You're not just holding crypto, you're putting it to work, with smart tools helping you every step of the way. So whether you're earning, staking, or trading, Neura is building a whole ecosystem that's intelligent, rewarding, and built for the future. All the relevant links to the presale and website will be in the description. Not financial advice, but this project really looks promising. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.